energy ขอบคุณครับเจอกันนะ
Hello Army, welcome back to the About Pop channel here. It is Bangkok D-Day. BTS's JHOPE undergoes soundcheck. For Hope on the Stage concert tonight. ARM Boys packed the venue since morning Bangkok, May 10, 2025. The capital of Thailand today turned into a sea of love and enthusiasm. Thousands of ARMYs from all over the world crowded Bangkok to witness BTS's JHOPE's solo performance in a series of global tours titled Hope on the Stage. Today is D-Day for his first concert in Thailand, which has been awaited for months since the superstar announced his return to the stage after completing his military service.
Let me hear that. Every day I'm so turned up in my girl, yeah.
Since morning, the atmosphere around the concert venue, Impact Arena Muang Thong Thani, has been filled with cheers and extraordinary enthusiasm from fans. Many of them have been queuing since dawn, carrying BTS light sticks, army bombs, support banners, special edition merchandise, and wearing outfits with J-Hope's signature theme, from bright neon colors, floral motifs, to clothes that say Hope on the Stage. Energetic sound check ahead of the concert that will be held tonight at 7:00 p.m. local time. J-Hope underwent a closed sound check session that was no less anticipated. Although it could not be witnessed directly by the public, several ARM boys who were around the location reported the sound of thumping music and singing echoing from inside the arena. Several production staff said that J-Hope's aura during practice was very strong and immediately brought the stage to life. The music that was played sounded full of energy, reflecting the typical style of the king of performance. Explosive, dynamic, and full of enthusiasm. It is known that this sound check session was also filled with final choreography preparations, lighting adjustments, and checking the live arrangements that were worked on in great detail. In a short video, uploaded by the official BIGJHIT Music account on Weverse, this afternoon, J-Hope was seen wearing a black hat and casual clothes, greeting the staff with a big smile while occasionally dancing a little. That moment immediately made RMI even more impatient to wait for his performance tonight. Emotional reunion after hiatus. Tonight's performance is not just an ordinary concert. It is an emotional turning point in J-Hope's career, a touching reunion between the idol and his fans after more than a year of hiatus due to his military service. Hope on the Stage is his first major solo tour since 2023, and Bangkok is included in the list of key cities after Seoul and Jakarta. In his last interview with Weverse magazine, J-Hope said that this concert is not only to show his musical growth, but also as a form of gratitude to ARMY who have been waiting. He even prepared several surprise segments tonight, including a new song that has never been performed live, as well as a special session where he will convey a personal message to fans in Thailand. Spectacular stage atmosphere. The concert is reported to feature more than 20 songs with live band arrangements, luxurious stage visuals, and cinematic lighting effects. Several audience members who attended the previous tour said that the production of this concert is on par with a major festival. ARMY prepares to make history in Bangkok. The atmosphere around the venue is currently very lively. The official BTS merchandise outlet is filled with long lines. Even some items such as limited edition hoodies and vinyl albums have been sold out in just 1 hour since they opened. Many fans took advantage of this moment to meet ARMY friends from other countries, exchange photo cards, and take pictures at various decoration spots provided by the committee. Security has also been tightened, with hundreds of security officers deployed to ensure comfort during the event. The organizers also provided a medical team, free drinking water stations, and rest zones for visitors. A night full of hope and love. ARMY in Bangkok tonight will witness history. Not only a musical performance, this concert is a space full of love, energy, and hope, according to the idol's name. With his undying spirit, J-Hope once again proved that he is a world-class performer who not only captivates through his stage actions, but also touches hearts through his messages and sincerity. Welcome back to the stage, J-Hope. Bangkok ARMY is ready to shine with you tonight. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.